A ride in the 2008 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, bucket seats, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.